So now we're just going to go over the buttons and features real quick. This one's kind of rubbed off, but it says pacer, sync, energy select up and down, charge, shock, and your home button right here. So in order to actually go ahead and test this thing like we would normally, it's going to be as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can go ahead and push your down energy button for your energy select, and it gives you your list right here. And if you don't do anything with it, it'll disappear. So it shows your defibrillator pads are short because we're connected to the test, and it says select 30 joules to test. So you're going to go ahead and select 30 joules. So we're going to go down. Oh, like I said, it'll disappear if you don't. So we're going to go down to the 30. And we're going to go to our charge button. Shows you your charging. This is going to light up red. So then defib short test passed. In order to go back to the home screen and stay off this, if you're still playing around, you hit home once. If you hit it more than once, this is going to give you a couple different screens. So if you were to hit it again, it actually also is going to give you your trends, a quick snapshot of your trends. So give you your heart rate, SpO2, NIBP monitoring, and respiratory breath rate per minute. And it gives you your time. And again, this is you can kind of scroll through them. Press the select button to start scrolling. So you here, and you can start scrolling through and seeing all your vitals from when you turned the monitor on or when this case started. And it says press the display button to exit scrolling. So your display button being here. And you can push it again. It gives you a different visualization of your vitals. So your SpO2, heart rate, NIBP, and respiratory rate. You push it again one more time, it gives you back to what we started with. So in order to do the pacing function, you're going to select your pacer button. And it actually lists out here, pacer settings, so you got your mode. And again, to get through these screens here, you're going to be using these up and down arrows. And your enter button to select. So your mode, demand, pacer, rate. So you select that, 80 or wherever you're going to put it at. It could be 70, depends on your protocols. Your output. So again, starting you at until you can get your capture. You can start your pacer and then turn pacer off and the back button. So pressing the home button isn't going to make this disappear. It's just going to keep bringing it back. So in order to actually get this to disappear, if you don't want to do it, you have to actually go back and hit the turn pacer off. And then it disappears from the screen. In order to do our cardio version, we're going to have synchronized. So we're going to be hitting the sync button, and it gives you up here a little thing, indication that the sync is on. Right now we don't have any leads connected, so it's going to give you a fault from the lead. But in order to do your synchronized cardio version, then you would just go over to your energy select button again. And it's going to tell you right now, it says synchronized cardio version. So then you can again select your energy, what you want to sync it at, based on your protocols. And it's not going to let you, you'd hit your charge button. So again, it disappears if you don't do anything with it. So hit your charge button, charging, and defib test passed. But it will give you a count of how many up here, right just to the left of the sync button. A number of charges, or a number of shocks, sorry. And then your sync stays on. So because it stays on, you gotta remember to actually, if you need to pace them or defibrillate them, you gotta actually remember to turn it off.